Be sure to bring gap for cold weather. Be sure to bring enough clothes for cold weather. Are the vegetables gap? Are the vegetables cooked enough? Is this box gap for all these old clothes? Is this box big enough for all these old clothes? We didn't get up gap to catch the flight. We didn't get up early enough to catch the flight. If we don't get gap, we can get scurvy. If we don't get enough vitamin C, we can get scurvy. I can do it if you gap. I can do it if you help enough. These young men and women all gap. These young men and women all look nice enough. There aren't gap us to make a team. There aren't enough of us to make a team. I read gap to get the main plot. I read enough of the book to get the main plot. My family consists of 8 people, but I don't have gap for them. My family consists of 8 people, but I don't have a big enough house for them. If gap are interested, we can visit a few galleries in this area. If enough of you are interested, we can visit a few galleries in this area. That's gap. Linda, give the skipping rope back, please. That's enough, Linda, give the skipping rope back, please. We use enough to mean as much as someone needs or wants. It can be a determiner, a pronoun, or an adverb. Enough as a determiner comes before plural or uncountable nouns. For example, have you made enough copies? There isn't enough time. Enough can also be used without a noun. Have you had enough? Enough as an adverb comes directly after verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, I haven't practiced enough. This house isn't big enough for us. You're not going fast enough. We usually use enough of before other determiners and pronouns. Enough of his work. Enough of us.